Don't go.
I'll call you.
I won't go for my school.
I'll call you my phone number. I'll call you.
Oh wow, we are moving. We are moving now.
You wear your leg enter now, you know bad.
Hey, person don't go for.
Party, you know them say what are they here?
I push now. People are saying I drown with you.
Sorry, something with that gutter.
The gutter dey here.
Please let me know where you're watching me from. This is life in Kogi State. People have lost their home, you can see. Okay, I have to sit there. Oh my God. Okay, so yeah, I'm so scared though. What about life vest? Not be life vest, they call them. Life jacket.
Wow.
Please let me know where you're watching me from. This is the situation in Kogi State, Lokoja. Everywhere is flooded here, so oh my God, I'm so scared. Jesus! I beg, I don't sabi swim. Oh.
Don't worry.
I get 2 phones for my pocket.
No worry.
And this phone will be small money. Oh.
Want to hold for me. Jesus power, super power.
Okay, I should shift this side. Okay, okay, so that it will balance. I have weight though. See, Jesus, this is shaking. This is shaking, no.
Let's go.
Wait. Where are we going to? Please, I cannot swim. I'm telling people now that I cannot swim. Oh.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
I said I cannot swim.
No.
You don't know, bro. Oh my God, my sandal is wet. Oh boy.
Give me. Who I did it?
I'm going to go take part water from inside.
But that will make it later. We'll bring it back now. We'll get.
Okay. That's movement.
This is the situation in Kogi State. So I'll be.
That's something from here.
The boat is leaking. Let's don't go far, please.
Don't go far past this house today.
In case anything happens, so let me show people the faces of the people that are taking me where I don't know.
You can't go away, no. Dr. Gideon is my name. Dr. Lucky is in Lokoja, and we are trying to evaluate the flood effects and look at houses. This house is the house of my choir master in church. This particular one by your left, the music director, this is his house.
Wow.
But now he's in my house as we speak.
Jesus Christ. I feel so
The
scared.
flood should come to my house. All of us will move to the government house.
We'll go to the government house. So.
Yes,
This is life in Kogi State, Lokoja.
bro, you don't carry us go on, no. Don't worry. All right.
Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm so... Guy, look at electric poles. Look at people. People are traveling with boats. Guy, I'm so scared. You're not going to believe it. As you can see.
The levy it has.
Jesus Christ. What if I fall? What will happen? Guy, I'm shaking. Guy, Gideon, no shot, I beg. Bro. See, look at people's houses. Look at, that is to be somebody's room.
But we don't finish now. We don't say I'm finished. We won't go back now.
Guy, all my clothes. No. The water don't enter the canoe. I know, no. The water don't enter the canoe.
No worry.
Guy. I swear to
My
God.
don't send me message. You say I beg no pass where you there. I no fish out bunk.
The water don't enter the canoe. See canoe, see. See my shoe. Guy.
On a very good day, I don't go enter.
These are people's houses. So these are the ones living upstairs.
The water they enter well.
Guy, I'm losing balance. Can we go back, please?
I'm just.
Guy. Gideon, why they touch me? They do me rippy. They took it. Okay, more go this side. I beg. No touch me. That's thing they do me somehow for body.
Okay.
They make me they shake. Oh my God, this is the situation in Kogi State. Wow, see somebody's house. This is somebody's house. swallowed by water. You know, children used to play in this balcony, but unfortunately, nobody's there anymore. This is somebody's house.
To the roof.
Share this video so that the government will see what's going on, and people are dying of hunger as well. I wonder how children.
Bro, people are trying.
Guy, I can't zoom this thing anymore.
Jesus.
Okay. Look at this somebody's house. This somebody's house. So this somebody's parlor.
Bro. I didn't think there's no phone in my hand. I look for fear.
Okay, now your phone.
Now the phone where the man.
My phone are this the way they call them more. People still get mine though. These people are praying every day that nothing should happen to their house because they are living upstairs. I pray God answers their prayer.
Yes, 41.
This used to be somebody's gate though for security reasons, but unfortunately, what's the point of this gate? This is how the world is going to end though.